Namaste everyone, I hope all of you are doing well. So stock number 1 I gave you to sell in today's session was Laurus Labs at 467 rupees. As you can see on daily chart, there was a complete reversal. Price did not broke out of our bearish breakout level, which means did not hit the entry level. Talking about the second stock, it was Mrs. Bectors at 398 rupees. Mrs. Bectors 398. There was nothing to talk about in Mrs. Bector, but it indeed reached our entry level and then price got reduced. So unfortunately, we had to bear a stop loss here. Third stock was Zee Entertainment at 301 rupees. Yes, there was a huge bullish momentum as expected. 301 rupees. Where is the breakout level? 301.90, 301 to 99. But once again, 301.90 is the high. After that, price closed at 398.25. So we were unlucky here, but move, we have to look forward, not get too bogged down by a loss in a trade. Fourth and final one was Marico at 545 rupees. So Marico here, there was hardly any momentum. 546. Once again, a huge loss. So most of the stocks did reach the entry level, but price came lower after that. So it was a rather eventful and a terrible day at the same time. I hope we can do much better in tomorrow's session. Stock number 1 for tomorrow's session is Granules India, and the breakout level is above 315 rupees. I have drawn a horizontal line denoting the breakout level. So for the most part of today's session, price was finding it difficult to break the level of 310 rupees. Once this minor resistance was broken, we can see buyers are coming in number and it is reflected in decent volume activity. Currently, there is a huge fight going on between buyers and sellers, but looking at the nature of candles, we have three candles at the breakout level, which means buyers do have bit of upper hand. If they keep on buying and price can go above 315 rupees, we should see lot of buyers joining them in the process, and the price of Granules India can go somewhere around 328 to 330 rupees. Second stock for tomorrow's session is Gujarat Gas, and the breakout level is drawn at 652 rupees. Looking at the price action, pay attention to current rally towards a breakout level. Almost every other candle is breaking the low made by previous candle, which again highlights the intention of buyers, and at the same time sellers are sitting on the sidelines. They do not want to get engaged at current levels. If price keep on going up in higher highs, higher lows pattern, I'm sure a lot of buyers sitting on the sideline and also existing buyers can increase their quantity, which can take the stock price of Gujarat Gas somewhere in the vicinity of 670 rupees or so. Third stock for tomorrow's session is Marico Limited. Previous breakout level was at 545 rupees. Can you see how many times sellers managed to push the price at lower level? This is almost 3 times, and here once again sellers were successful in pushing the price lower. But on fifth occasion, buyers were huge in numbers and they managed to close the price above 545. Currently, the previous breakout level is acting as the support level for the price. If the stock price of Marico breaks daily high, which is at 546 rupees, we should see lot of demand coming through till 555. This is a level where there was a huge supply coming through. Last time price was at this level, and when price do get to this level, we might see profit booking as well. Last but certainly not least stock for tomorrow's session is Bharti Airtel. The breakout level can be clearly seen above 760 rupees. On 5 minutes chart, just see how price is taking its course just below the breakout level. Let me draw this line. What does this line signify? This line tells you that the low is getting elevated every single time. When the low gets elevated, which means buyers are buying at higher level. Why buyers buy at higher level? When they see there is an opportunity for price to go higher than the level that they have bought. Currently, almost 3 times the breakout level got tested. So buyers are currently itchy and edgy. So if they can take the price above 760, we should see a lot of demand coming through at that level, and after that a huge bullish momentum can start. Mind you, if I take you to weekly chart, this is a very strong breakout level. It's been pending since more than 3 to 4 months. So there is lot of scope for sizable profit in Bharti Airtel. These are the levels. I will share a screenshot of it in my Telegram channel. As I always say, we have to put only 1 or 2% of our total trading capital as a stop loss. That's it in this video. Thank you for watching.